Click on the link below to get price. The HOVERair X1 PROMAX 8K action flying camera is a remarkable piece of technology that caters to both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the stunning 8K camera, which captures videos and photos with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or action-packed adventures, the image quality is nothing short of impressive. One of the notable aspects of the HOVERair X1 PROMAX is its foldable design, making it incredibly portable. The compact size allows you to easily slip it into a backpack or carry-on, making it ideal for traveling. Despite its small form factor, the drone does not compromise on performance. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge, you can spend more time capturing your desired shots without frequent interruptions to recharge. The drone's stability is enhanced by advanced GPS features and an intelligent flight control system. It offers multiple flight modes, including follow me, waypoints, and orbit mode, which makes it easy to achieve dynamic shots without needing to manually control the drone constantly. The user-friendly app interface further simplifies the flying experience, allowing for seamless operation and real-time video streaming directly to your smartphone. Safety features such as obstacle avoidance sensors ensure that you can fly without the constant worry of crashing. The built-in return-to-home function is another comforting feature, automatically guiding the drone back to its launch point if the battery is low or the connection is lost. In terms of build quality, the HOVERair X1 PROMAX feels robust and durable, capable of withstanding minor bumps and drops. The battery life and performance in various weather conditions are commendable, making it versatile for different shooting environments. Overall, the HOVERair X1 PROMAX 8K action flying camera is a top-tier drone that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. It is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to elevate their aerial photography and videography to the next level.